Prototyping isn't just about having a rough draft, it's about creating a clear, structured foundation for development. Without well-defined prototypes, projects face unnecessary revisions and delays. Let's look at Resale, a secondhand marketplace app, and see how Fenado AI helps refine prototypes for a smoother development process. Here's Resale in its prototype stage. While the core screens are set up, users may have different preferences and requirements that can be easily customized with Fenado AI. Onboarding screen provides a standard introduction, but users can enhance it with additional visuals and structured steps, explaining key features like secure transactions, easy product listings, and user reviews. Home screen. Listings are displayed in a simple grid format, but users who prefer a more structured browsing experience can add organized filters and search options for better navigation. Product listing screen. The listing process follows a standard step-by-step approach, but if users want a faster workflow, they can reduce steps or add a preview feature before posting. Product detail screen. The page includes basic product information, but those who want to build more trust can enhance it by prominently displaying seller ratings, reviews, and a direct chat option. User profile screen. The profile displays key account details, but users who want better organization can restructure it to separate purchase history, listed items, and settings more clearly. With Fenado AI, users have complete control over their prototype structure and functionality, allowing them to tailor the experience to their specific needs before development begins. Using Fenado AI, users can refine their prototype through simple text prompts, making the experience more tailored and user-friendly. Onboarding screen, add visuals and step-by-step guidance on secure transactions, easy listings, and user reviews. Enhances engagement and helps new users understand the app quickly. Home screen, adjust layout by organizing listings into categories and adding prominent search and filter options for price, location, and product condition. Ensures buyers find products efficiently. Product listing screen, modify by reducing steps and incorporating a preview feature before posting. Speeds up the listing process for sellers. Product detail screen, customize to highlight seller ratings, reviews, and direct messaging options. Boosts buyer confidence and enhances transactions. User profile screen, restructured to provide a clearer separation between listed items, purchase history, and reviews. Improves account management and usability. With these refinements, users can make their prototype more structured and aligned with their goals, ensuring a smoother transition into development. With these flexible adjustments, the prototype becomes more intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier for developers to bring the final vision to life. Customizable onboarding experience to guide users effectively. Organized listings with flexible search and filtering options. Streamlined product listing process tailored to user preferences. Product detail page that builds trust and enhances engagement. Structured user profile for easier navigation and account management. With these flexible adjustments, the prototype becomes more intuitive. A strong prototype isn't just about how an app looks, it's about ensuring a seamless user journey. With Fenado AI, you can fine-tune your design before development, reducing revisions and saving valuable time. Check out the original and refined versions of Resale through the link in the post.